हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ क्या होती हैं एंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इकोनॉमिक एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में। सो व्हाट आर नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़? पहले भी हम लोग अपनी वीडियो में बात कर चुके हैं। नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ क्या होती हैं? वो दैट एक्टिविटीज़ विच आर डन फॉर सेल्फ सेटिस्फेक्शन मोटिव, वो एक्टिविटीज़ जो सेल्फ सेटिस्फेक्शन मोटिव के लिए की जाती हैं, दैट आर नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़। 4 टाइप्स की होती हैं ये एक्टिविटीज़: रिलीजियस, सोशल, पेरेंटल एंड पेट्रियोटिक। रिलीजियस, जो रिलीजन के लिए हम लोग जो एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोइंग टेम्पल जाना, प्रेयर करना, दैट इज़ ए रिलीजियस एक्टिविटी। सोशल एक्टिविटी जो सोसाइटी के लिए की जाती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेल्पिंग ए नीडी पीपल और गिविंग ए चैरिटी, दैट इज़ ए सोशल एक्टिविटी। पेरेंटल एक्टिविटीज़, for example parents are taking care of their child, they are doing for their children, so that is a parental activity. Patriotic activity which we do for our country. So these all activities, in this we do not get any monetary benefit. These activity we do for our emotional, mental, physical satisfaction. For example, playing in a park, going in a party, going in a marriage. This whole idea of non-economic activities tell us the activities which give us self-satisfaction, we don't get any monetary benefit, are called as non-economic activities. These are also called as non-monetary or non-commercial activities. Now moving forward, we will see a difference between economic and non-economic activities. So economic activities, basic motive of economic activities are, motive is earn money, पैसा कमाने के लिए। Profit is the main expectations from these activities. Purpose क्या होता है? To create wealth. Outcome of these activities are production, buying or selling of goods. So all the activities that are related with money are called as economic activity. 3 types of economic activities we have talked about: business, profession and employment. Detailed explanation has been given in last video of types of economic activities. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दी जाएगी, वहाँ से चेक करिए। Now moving forward towards non-economic activity, as we have talked earlier also, non-economic activities are done for self-satisfaction. Money is not the expectation from these activities. The purpose of these activities are self-satisfaction, to satisfy ourselves. Outcome of non-economic activities are mental, emotional and physical satisfaction. That's why these are called as non-monetary or non-commercial activities. This is a simple and easy difference that I have given you for economic and non-economic activities. Hope you all are able to understand the basic difference between economic and non-economic activities, and do catch human activities and economic activities types that are given in previous videos. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.